Hey y'all, there's nothing quite like a big plate of crispy fried chicken. The crunch of that perfectly fried crust, the juiciness of the tender meat inside, it's a taste of heaven. It's a southern staple that's perfect for any occasion. Whether you're hosting a big family reunion, a summer picnic, or just a cozy dinner at home, fried chicken always hits the spot. Whether it's a family gathering or a casual weeknight dinner, this recipe will surely please everyone. Imagine the smiles and the laughter as everyone digs into this delicious meal. We're gonna make the crispiest, juiciest fried chicken you've ever tasted. The secret lies in the perfect blend of spices and the right frying technique. Don't be intimidated. This recipe is easy to follow, and I'll be with you every step of the way. From seasoning the chicken to frying it to golden perfection, you'll master it in no time. Get ready to impress your family and friends with this classic Southern comfort food. Let's get started and make some memories around the dinner table. Before we start cooking, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 8 pieces of chicken, your choice of cuts, 2 cups of buttermilk, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, and 1 cup of vegetable oil for frying. Make sure you got everything. Now, let's move on to the fun part, marination. Marination is our secret weapon for juicy and flavorful fried chicken. It's a technique passed down through generations, ensuring every bite is packed with taste and tenderness. In a large bowl, whisk together the buttermilk, salt, pepper, paprika, and garlic powder. This is our marinade. The buttermilk tenderizes the chicken, while the spices infuse it with a rich, savory flavor. Add the chicken pieces to the marinade, making sure each piece is coated well. This step is crucial as it ensures that every part of the chicken absorbs the delicious flavors. We want that flavor to really soak in. The longer the chicken sits in the marinade, the more intense and delightful the taste will be. Cover the bowl and let it sit in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or even better, overnight. This resting period allows the marinade to penetrate deeply into the chicken. Trust me, the longer it marinates, the tastier it'll be. Overnight marination is ideal, giving the chicken ample time to soak up all the wonderful flavors, making it irresistibly delicious. Section 4. The secrets in the flour seasoning for success. While the chicken is marinating, let's prepare our seasoned flour. This is what's going to give our chicken that beautiful golden crust. In a shallow dish, combine the flour with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. We want our coating to be nice and flavorful. You can adjust the spices to your liking or add a pinch of cayenne pepper for a little kick. Section 5. Frying time, the road to golden perfection. Now comes the exciting part, frying the chicken. This is where all the preparation pays off, and you get to see the magic happen right before your eyes. The sizzle, the aroma, and the anticipation of that first bite. It's all part of the experience. Heat the vegetable oil in a large cast iron skillet over medium-high heat. The cast iron skillet is perfect for this because it retains heat so well, ensuring that your chicken cooks evenly and gets that beautiful golden crust. You'll know it's ready when a pinch of flour sizzles when sprinkled in. This is a simple yet effective test to make sure your oil is at the right temperature. If the flour doesn't sizzle, give it a bit more time. Take a piece of chicken from the marinade, letting the excess drip off. This step is crucial because too much marinade can cause the oil to splatter and make a mess. Dredge it in the seasoned flour, making sure it's fully coated. The seasoned flour is what gives the chicken its flavorful crust, so don't skimp on this step. Make sure every nook and cranny is covered. Repeat with the remaining chicken pieces. This assembly line process ensures that all your chicken is ready to go into the skillet at the same time, so they cook evenly. Carefully place the chicken pieces in the hot oil, ensuring not to overcrowd the skillet. Overcrowding can lower the oil temperature, resulting in greasy chicken. Give each piece enough space to fry properly. We want them to fry evenly. This means turning them occasionally to make sure all sides get that perfect golden brown color. Fry for about 6 to 8 minutes on each side, or until golden brown and cooked through. Use a meat thermometer to check that the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure it's fully cooked. Once cooked, remove the chicken from the skillet and place it on a wire rack lined with paper towels to drain excess oil. This helps keep the chicken crispy by allowing the oil to drip off. And there you have it, crispy, juicy Southern fried chicken, perfectly golden and ready to be enjoyed. Serve it hot with your favorite sides and watch as everyone comes back for seconds.